feel like there's a lot of bells here.
Heaps, man. Well, I'm in the bell tower. Yeah. Daunting, some heavy bells. There's one that's 1.5 tons, and I've got a red mallet. So the record to beat is undefined, so we're setting it. It's the fastest time to ring all the bells in the bell tower. Or that's at least a plan.
Let's just take a moment to realise that we're in the bell tower. Wow!
Yeah, we're in the bell tower. I'm just going to give it a go. The bell tower.
We're in it.
Literally, physically in the bell tower. So I'm just going to try my best to ring them all. There's a lot of bells, hence the bell tower. So it's, yeah, we're in it. Here we go.
Let's go!
3, 2, 1. That's wasting time! They're heavy. Oh! There's so many more.
Go, big fella, go!
I should have been ready to go, bro. That would have been hilarious. That's done. Okay.
I feel like there's a lot of bells here.
Heaps, man. Let's not put them in this corner. That doesn't have a bell in it. I'm gonna let the record show. I think I'm mucking up their order. So many bells. Oh. Oh. What an awesome record. What an awesome record this is.
It's phenomenal.
Three, 2, 1. Where's the next bell?
Behind you. The big ones on the rope. The ropes. On the wall, on the wall. Up the stairs. Level 1. Level 1. Go, Hammer, go.
This bell hasn't been rung in 120 years. Okay, get rid of that. Don't need you anymore. That's a ring. Oh my God. Oh. Far out. That rung. These ones get heavy. Oh. Watch all the action from the WWE Elimination Chamber live in Perth. Stream it on binge, February 24th. That's a record. Oh. Oh.